Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix can't upload HD videos on TikTok. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So here when we actually open up our TikTok application, you'll notice that we have the upload HD option on our posting settings. So here in our posting settings, in the more option, you should be able to see the settings that says allow high quality uploads. So if we actually enable this one, this will actually allow high quality uploads for videos. But sometimes this setting will not be available to you, or when you actually enable this one, it doesn't actually upload high quality videos on your device here or into your account. So there's a way for us to actually fix that. So let's go back into our profile again. In here, you want to click on the three bar icon at the top right of your screen. That's where your settings is usually located. And just click on settings and privacy. In here, you just want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says support and about, and you should be clicking on report a problem. In here, you want to choose the following settings or topics that I'll be showing you. So here, just click on videos and sound. Under videos and sound, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the posting videos option there. In here, you want to choose other. Then from here, you just need to click on I need more help. And from here, you just need to explain that you aren't able to post high quality video into your account. So if you don't have the option to allow HD uploads on your account, make sure that you actually mention that also here in the report a problem page. So if you have screenshots or videos, go ahead and attach that. And from there, just click on submit. And you just need to wait for TikTok support's reply to you for your problems. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.